To fix a T-Mobile Wi-Fi router not working, start by checking the physical connections. Ensure the router is properly plugged into a power source and all cables are securely connected to the correct ports. Next, restart the router by unplugging the power cord, waiting for 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. This simple step often resolves connectivity issues. Check the router's lights to determine the status of your connection. If the lights are not illuminated or are flashing erratically, it may indicate a problem with the router or the internet connection. Consult the T-Mobile user manual or online support resources to understand the meaning of different light patterns. Verify that the Wi-Fi network is enabled on your device and that you are connecting to the correct network. Ensure the Wi-Fi password is correct, as an incorrect password can prevent devices from connecting to the network. If you have forgotten the password, you can reset it using the T-Mobile router's admin interface. If the issue persists, check for firmware updates for the router. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity problems, and updating to the latest version may resolve the issue. You can check for updates on the T-Mobile website or through the router's admin interface. Move the router to a central location to improve Wi-Fi coverage and reduce interference from other devices. Change the Wi-Fi channel on the router to minimize interference from neighboring networks. You can use online tools to scan for nearby networks and determine the best channel to use. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact T-Mobile technical support for further assistance. They can help diagnose the problem and provide additional troubleshooting steps or replace the router if it is faulty. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix common issues with your T-Mobile Wi-Fi router and get your internet connection up and running.